These have the sweetest little buckle right here in the front so that you can put them on and know that they're not going to be slip sliding off as you're walking around. They are true to size, so I have an 8.5. These are 8.5 and they fit me exactly right. On the inside, they have this padding right here, so you're going to be walking around in comfort. This nice, thick, chunky heel is going to keep you supported as you're walking around throughout the day. These are so cute. These will be on my feet all fall. I actually wore these to pick my daughter up from school today, and I got so many compliments on them. So if you're looking for a pair of heels that you can wear with anything this fall, be sure to check these out in the TikTok shop. They are so versatile. They're gonna go with any kind of outfit. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with a skirt, wear them to work. I'm on my feet all day. I'm a professional photographer. I need to be able to look nice and add a little bit of height to my step without feeling like my feet are gonna fall off by the end of the day. These are gonna be my absolute go-tos this fall during wedding season. So be sure to check them out. I promise you won't regret it.